Hi, I promised you to show you how I do the smallest website, or how you can do the smallest website more. uh, as a example with the capsule garderobe. I'm trying out this recording software, so I hope the quality will be good enough. So first you go to smallest.com. It's automatically made per N because I wanted to be in English for this video, but you can choose different languages and get started. There are different plans and prices. For this video, I'm gonna use the free because that's possible for everyone to use. But there is e-commerce also, which is affordable price. It's CHF, it's Schweizer franc, Swiss franc, because the company is from Switzerland and they ask the payment to be made in Swiss franc. So that for this 10 per month, they offer quite a lot of options. So it's worth checking out if you are in that stage of your business. But because this is an example, I'm gonna just show you at the free site. You can do the same. The difference is this only gonna show 2 languages. There is a normal website which you can use 4 languages there, but you can always add on languages, up to 9 language total. And e-commerce have more different payment options and Google Merchant Center and more currencies. You can add to so. But you can integrate everything with Stripe, and Stripe use a lot of currencies, so that's an option for anyone. Now we're gonna show the free plan, and the example will be the capsule garderobe. If you are a print-on-demand business, you can also make a website with this, but then they're not gonna print it for you. So it's easier to just choose a company which is print for you and make your site on their system. You fill in your information, and it doesn't ask for payment. It's gonna send you a code to your email, and then you will have to write in that code what you get. And then after that, you get to this page, which is their opening page. And this is brand new, I just made it. And you always have to check validate. It means they check for you if you didn't forget anything, and then if you forget something, they write in what you did forget, and you can fix the issues and publish. You can publish it. But if you choose to ignore that problem, you can also choose you ignore this problem. Design. There is themes you can choose from, many themes. I'm just gonna use the one which is here because see, it's for shopping. A style, you can edit in the style editor. You can choose the layout if you want it up or if you want it in the side. I think more people like it when this is in the top, like homepage, about us, things. And see, it's already made it for me, English and German, because the free plan have 2 languages. And this is a good option to make it English and German because there is a lot of German speaking person. But if you want to change your German, you can change it for Spanish or Portuguese or whatever language you want to sell in. Okay, so in here you can style editor is for changing the colors, and so you put home page, and then you can change the shopping cart. Now it's look like this, but if you want your background to be red, you can just choose red. This is everyone know their own style and know their code. See, and this change it for me, and this automatically changes in the other places also. You can't really see it like that, so you will have to change the color of the font also, for example, to blue. Can I see it now? Choose. No, doesn't see. Choose. I want this to be blue. Yeah, I'm making a mistake. This blue. Choose. Now people can read it. And this other text, and there is two different hover text when someone is hover on it, and the normal text when, see, now it's only blue when I hover over it. I think it's a nice feature, but everyone decide for themselves. Header and footer, what you want your social accounts to be, and see, you have to write it here. Because this is a test site, I'm gonna delete that part. But you can put in yours, and then you get more. And in here, you choose the languages. See, English, German. Oh, yeah. How does it look like? This is nice. No, not nice, because no, English. We can stay with this. This is just a purpose for showing you what you can change and what you cannot change. When I build a website, I'm first make like draw a picture, and then when I come into the website builder, I know what I'm gonna do, what the style gonna be. And see, there's different for the phone, different for the website. It's let you choose differently. And in here, this is what I wanted to show you. You can write something here, but it doesn't need something. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, Swiss made software designed with smallies, and it automatically translated it for you to German. Swiss made software, this website border with smallies hairstyle. And see, also, this is why I recommend. Okay, let me, languages. Possibility, language. This is where you can choose which language and which flag. English gonna be in default language, and you can choose German or you can choose Mandarin, and see. Okay, Swiss flag is not really Mandarin. Let's choose, or you can choose Spanish. So there is let's choose undefined, but it's translated for you. It automatically translates for you all of these languages. So let's choose Hungarian, and then we can check how much of a good translation does it make, because I certified in these two languages. United Kingdom. It's not important. And then we can say, but it's not German, it's Hungarian. Okay, this is okay. English, see, and auto translate. That's good. That's good. Okay, and it's auto save. Okay, now pages and menu. You need a home page, of course. That is what you're gonna set up. Home page. Let me and see when you get into the builder, there is a navigation and automatically asks you for SEO. Description, auto translate, and everywhere you can just push auto translate. You can choose your own flag and where you want to write what you choose. You familiar with this from other builders? CNN changed to red and every minute changed into red. Okay, for capsule gardo, we don't need to this, so one of them we just delete. And then in here we can put a picture. Caps. I don't want the title. I want the image. Picture of upload image. Okay, now. Okay, so I find the pictures, and just gonna use this one. Now because this is a quick example, as I told you. So this is kids wardrobe. You can put a link, you can position it however you want it, but see, it's already here. And the thing what I wanted to show you is you click on it and you say kids wardrobe. See, it's written in the side. And then you can say my kids capsule wardrobe and change it when they grown out of it. Exchange it. Exchange, I think it's better word. Let's see how it's not perfect. It's wardrobe. Yo. Yo. You can change the style in big, little. You can make columns. You can put in pictures in here also if you want. There's so many options. And shop now. Shop now, and then you put your Stripe link here. Something stripe.com. This is just random numbers. It doesn't gonna work. External, yes, external, internal. I always mix up these two. So, and then you can put more pictures even. This is just an example. Validate. Yeah, see, all of these pages doesn't have SEO settings. We didn't come out from maintenance mode. And there is SEO titles this thing. So this is what I say, it's gonna tell you the mistakes. But we doesn't do this now to it's just an example. See, ignore and publish. It saves it. This is why I'm doing it usually. Okay. So homepage, which is get you to when they open it. So we can add more pages. No page. We can publish is we can add external links. You can check under constructions. What we want to write here, and it's gonna look like this. And in the settings, we should get out of, yes, you put in cookie settings also, auto translate them, and then you can check where is it, and the people click on it. You can put your own domain, you can name it anything you want, see, you can rename it. You can put in the SEO descriptions. This is all in the settings, and you can make it later. So let's do something, and then it's gonna offer us again. Take me there. Page settings. Put your site in maintenance mode. See, let's take it out, and now we are not in maintenance mode anymore, and it's gonna be live. You can see how it's changed. I didn't want it to make like a long thing out of it. One more thing I wanted to show you is you can add extra pages, not just only a home page, but see there is extra pages, extra blog pages. You can put extra links and they link back to your site. This is good for the payment page, for example. So it's up here. But as you can do, you can connect your email. You can connect your emails and collect emails and then email to your the people who buy from you, your customers. This is also an option. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I wanted to make this really short, not in depth and anything. Just wanted to show you this is really good if you are on a budget and you just need a quick translation because this is like that. Okay, so if you have questions, just let me know. See you.